Post that leg. Go! Go for the half. Slide him out. Slide him out. Handle. Easy. Come back on this side. Hey, jump on this hip. Stay there. Pull it back this way. Follow him. You're losing it. Follow him. Jump over the side.
That's my first ball for you.
Wing. Thread it. Now step over really hard. Step over. Catch his wrist.
Dude, I can rest like stage.
Go, Marshall.
Snap.
He gave it to you right there. Snap it to go.
Rudy's in reach of Marshall. Go! Finish that!
Yeah!
Half! Stay there! Sit back! Reverse that half! There you go! Sit back! Stay there! Put your hips down!